Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're most welcome as well. For those who haven't subscribed to my channel, I request you to do that now. That is going to motivate me, that is going to support me. Also like this video so that it reaches out to more Piscean friends out there. It is for free and I request you to do that, please. Okay, and yeah, on that note, I'm also open for the personal readings. If you want to approach me, you can do that. The details are in the description box. If you want to donate for this channel, the PayPal link is in the description box. All right, so on that note, this is going to be your June prediction. Whatever messages want to come through related to your life, career, love, health, anything in general will be taken. Okay, so let me take out cards for you, past, present and future, and then we will explore the outcomes as well. All right, okay, so this is going to be your past energy. Death, you could have dealt with Scorpio in the past. Okay, Five of Pentacles, the Hermit, Virgo energy, Knight of Pentacles for your current energy, Judgment, and Knight of Wands. Okay, so for your future, the Emperor, Ace of Swords, wow, and Seven of Pentacles. All right, okay, so wow, overall energy at the bottom of the deck is the Sun card. Okay, so it seems like no matter what, you are going to be very happy in your life. All right, so it's not bad. Okay, so in the past, so you have the Death card, Five of Pentacles, and the Hermit. Somebody did something to hurt you in the past, Pisces, right off the bat. Okay, it could be Scorpio or Virgo, or maybe Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, but Scorpio and Virgo energy quite strong over here. So definitely you transformed after feeling left out in the cold by someone. After feeling left out in the cold by someone, somebody ghosted you, or maybe somebody just remove their energy from you, all of a sudden, without even letting you know what the reason was. Somebody just pulled away from you, and it was quite a difficult moment for you. You definitely did miss them. You felt like there was no motivation to go on in life, and you had a level of depression at that time. Okay, but what good thing happened because of that is that you transformed as a person, and you are able to heal through your work. Okay, this hermit has already reached on the top of the mountain, and has now that enlightenment which is required in order to sustain himself, even at the time of adversity. So that is you, Pisces. You have really gotten, yeah, you got over all the pain and trauma that you had been through, and you are now able to see just exactly what happened to you, where you went wrong, and what should have been the limits. You are able to understand, and that has totally changed you as a person. Now today, the Pisces that is watching this video is a different person than you were in the past. Okay, so that is what I see in the past energy. And in the current energy, Knight of Pentacles, which means that your attention right now is all upon those new ideas. Yeah, working upon the new ideas which you have had. Okay, so you are trying to transmute your hurtful feelings into your work, and you are now thinking of the ways in which you can be successful. You want to be financially independent now. Probably this person whom you dealt with also sucked you out of your finances, maybe took away a lot of money from you, and that is something that really makes you feel stupid for trusting this individual or something. Or even if that is not the case, then what you want to do right now is to become independent, financially stable. Okay, and in order to do that, you are focusing the new idea which you have. You are wanting to work on that, and you have started working on that, and you know that karmic justice will definitely be restored for you. Divine is definitely going to protect you, and you are trusting a lot upon the universe. Okay, with the Judgment card over here in the current energy, and also Knight of Wands. So whatever you are doing, you are quite passionate about it, and you don't want, yeah, you are telling yourself that no matter what, I have to be consistent in this one. Okay, I have to be consistent. Now if all of this relates to these current energies, if it relates to your love life, then definitely you are hoping that the individual who hurt you in the past will get their karmic justice, and they will be able to learn that lesson which you know they ended up teaching you. You feel like definitely this person is going to you know get their karma, is what you're feeling. But while they do that, you don't want to focus upon them. You definitely want to focus on your own thing. You want to do your own projects. You want to start that new business, or maybe you are looking for a new job. But Knight of Pentacles is someone who is on the quest now, who is on that journey, on that path of prosperity, okay, who does not just have that idea in his or her mind, but who has also started that journey of progression, okay. And also Knight of Wands, it could mean that you now have somebody in your mind whom you are quite passionate about, Pisces, because in the future the Emperor is here, and Ace of Swords as well. All right, but Seven of Pentacles. Okay, so Knight of Wands, you know, yeah, probably it seems like while you are focusing on your work, and while you are forgiving and forgetting and letting go of whatever happened in the past, you are also, romantically inclined towards somebody new. Some sort of new energy is around you. Pisces, it seems like it could be Aries, okay, it could be Aries, and this person could, the Emperor. So this person could actually be, uh, some sort of a leader. If it is a workplace situation, this person could be someone who is greater in hierarchy than you in the when it comes to job hierarchy. But yeah, somebody quite nurturing, a fatherly kind of figure, not exactly fatherly, but then quite matured in their dealings with things. And you feel like you will be able to be stable with this individual, okay. So yeah, and Ace of Swords is also here. So recently, you have understood what is it that you exactly want in your life, or okay, this is your future energy. So you are going to have that enlightenment, with which you will be able to understand what is it that I exactly want in my life, okay. You will be able to understand that. And but I also see some level of regret, for the past mistakes that you have done. Probably there's something related to your past which you feel like you will not be able to express in front of this love interest of yours, who could potentially be Aries, but it could also be Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. But yes, and the person who hurt you in the past could be Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, okay. So yeah, I just want to clarify Seven of Pentacles over here. What will this regret, or what will be this dissatisfying feeling that is being delivered by Seven of Pentacles going to be about? Let us see for your future energy. Okay, so yeah, like I said, Five of Cups, Page of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, okay. Ten of Pentacles. So you want to be very much successful in your life, all right, and you will be. But yeah, while you are still working upon yourself, I think that trauma is going to come back to you time and again. Okay, trauma related to the past failed relationships which you had to go through. Look at this, three of them, Three of Cups. Probably some of you have been betrayed, you know in your love life thrice. But there's still hope. There are two cups that are upright at the back. And whenever this happens to you in the future, what spirit guides are telling you to do is to focus on your work. Think about that newfound inspiration which divine had given you, and upon which you had already set your foot, okay. So you should think about that, and you should focus only and only on that, and then the success, the Wheel of Fortune will be on your side. So whenever that past trauma grips you back, please don't focus on that. Let go of that, breathe a little, and focus on your dreams, aspirations, and move ahead in the path of prosperity. If you do that, then definitely divine will bless you with all the success that you feel you need in order to sustain in this world. All right, so yeah, this is a very much straightforward message for you. And yes, now I want to clarify, not clarify, but I want to ask, how is this emperor feeling towards you at the moment? Because you really value this person with this emperor and the ace of swords together. You want this new beginning in love with this person. You want this person to be to to understand how much you know you have high respect for this individual, and you want them to move forward towards you. mm, or at least you want them to be open towards you so that you can make advancement towards them. But yeah, you want this emperor to be enlightened about your feelings for them. Okay, so how's this emperor feeling towards you then? Or some of you might know this person, some of you might not know, but then if you do not have anybody as such in your life, Pisces, yet, then in that case such emperor kind of energy is definitely going to enter your life. Okay, somebody who's prominent, somebody who is in the public eye, somebody who is holding an important position when it comes to their career, professional life, and somebody who's making good amount of money, and somebody who's responsible for a certain mass of people, who's a leader to the mass of people, and who's yeah, responsible for a certain thing. Okay, which they do something important. All right, so how's this emperor feeling towards my Pisces, or how will they feel? So page of swords, queen of cups, and five of swords. Okay, so yeah, this person will definitely be, this means confidence as well. Okay, five of swords also means positive change. Although they will feel like you are, yeah. So the first card, okay, so the page of swords, how they view you is like someone who's quite creative, who has a lot of ideas, and who just has to be determined to work in some creative project, and you will be very very successful. Basically they see you as someone who has a lot of potential. Okay, that is how they are looking at you. And queen of cups, it means that they look at you like someone who has got a lot of love, lot of compassion for people in general, but also what they want from you is that motherly tender kind of love, which you extend only and only towards them. They want you to be nurturing like a mother, and they want you to be loyal towards them, and they want, yeah, they in fact think that you are quite loyal and you are quite loving. You have a lot of love, you have very big heart, is how they are looking at you. But with the five of swords over here, it seems like there's some level of nervousness as well when it comes to this person approaching you. Probably they also have been in certain relationships in the past. This is the message I'm getting, okay, when I'm looking at this card. So they might have been in relationship a few times in the past as well, and they feel like they are such a failure, and they don't want to fail even in this one with you. They feel like it is going to be such a shame if it doesn't work. Okay, so that is how they are feeling. So is this person going to approach my Pisces friends in the month of June? Is this person going to approach? Wow, what I got is the lovers and the three of wands. Okay, which means the three of wands means somebody, three of wands means someone who has broken all the boundaries and who is now free, and who is now looking towards the horizon. This person can see the ships far away, and has already made up his mind in order to go and see what else is out there. So it seems like if this emperor right now is not making any kind of approach towards you, Pisces, because of the fear of people, what the society is going to say, how it is going to look like if it fails, then that fear of rejection, or the fear of the failure of relationship in general, which is going to bring a lot of shame to their name and fame. If that is what this person is thinking, then this person will be out of that energy. This person will set himself free. The person in three of wands card is someone who has broken all the boundaries, who has come out of that four walls and who's now ready to see what is out there and who's ready to take that adventure of life. Okay, and also because of the lovers card over here, definitely this person will come and propose to you, and you two will start off in a romantic connection that is also emotionally fulfilling like soulmates. Okay, so that is the message for you. I hope it helps and resonates. If it does, then yeah, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll meet again next week. Bye, Pisces.